Hey everybody, Rick Tallman with Window Film Revolution again. I had somebody ask me to do a video on how I tint back windows. So that's what I'm gonna do. This isn't gonna be as in detailed as my last video. I've got to get this thing done and out, so we're just gonna, kind of move at a moderate pace and get it done. First thing I do, well, this window's been wiped off. The inside's already been prepped. It's also been backbladed. If you're not familiar with what that is, you can go to Window Film Revolution on YouTube and find that video. But this has been prepped. It's been squeegeed. We just need to, well, just watch and you'll see. Now the first thing I do, just dry paper towel, get it good and wet. Bar soap, that's what I use. Same thing, and I just lightly mist in the air. Just get a little bit of mist on the window, and I'll take this and I'll apply that bar soap. And once I get a good even coat over everything, I'm gonna go ahead and do my H pattern. Now I folded this over to the dry side to do that. Alright. Now I'm gonna go get the film. Now that should already be dry. It takes a while to get that perfected, but that should be dry enough I can go ahead and start. Right now I'm just trimming off all the excess. Now we're ready to start shrinking it. This is a dry shrink method. A lot of you know this. I like to use this. Now there's a ton of videos out there on people shrinking back windows, which is why I've kind of not really made very many of these. Alright, it's shrunk out. It has shrunk out, and I'm going to cut it out now. Now, normally my wife helps me hold the light. She's actually holding the phone today, so I get to hold the light myself. Light situated. Alrighty, that's ready. Now I'm gonna hop in. I'm gonna do a final squeegee and I'm gonna put it in. I'll spray it down and then I'll squeegee it. This has already been prepped and squeegeed once. I always like to squeegee it one more time just before I put the film in. Just in case the wind is blowing any dust onto it. Alrighty. Everybody likes to pick on me about how many beard hairs I get in a tint. It's only happened about twice actually, and this is normally where it happens. If you notice, I'm actually doing a, well, I guess they call it the Union Jack. If you know what the Union Jack flag is, you'll make a cross and then you'll make an X. And you do everything from the center out. Reason you do that is it prevents, as you're squeegeeing the film, you put different stress on it in different places, and that helps to keep it from being stressed in the wrong places. Well, that dang thing just came out. Alrighty. Now that we've got that done, I'm just gonna mist it a little bit, and I'm just gonna start bearing down on this thing, getting out as much moisture as I can. When you get to the bottom, it's not as easy to get the moisture out because you can't get as much leverage on it. So, take a bulldozer down, and a lot of times you got to be careful with the bulldozers not to pull straight back, but this has enough room that I can. And that should do it. I may have to come back with some paper towels and push out the edges. Oh, let's see. All right, now I can see what's going on. I'll take a couple paper towels, I'm gonna get back in and I'm gonna push out the edges with a hard part. I'll use this little red Littlefoot, and I'll start here at the center on the top. And I like to start on top because any moisture that's in here, gravity's gonna pull it down, so that's the first place I go. And then I hit the sides, and I don't worry about the bottom because gravity's pulling all the moisture out of the bottom anyhow. Alrighty. Alright, bring it on around here. Well, I don't know how long that took, but this is one of those Nissans notorious for peanuts. We backbladed it, shrunk it out. I don't know if you learned anything or not, but that's how I shrink back windows and put them in, and this is about how long it takes. Thanks, y'all. See you.